What is up, guys? It's Kevin Rova back with another video. Right now I'm heading to Walmart to buy Rena's dad a present for Father's Day. I bought my dad Jordans with my sister. I split in half with her, but he didn't like it, so he's probably gonna get another pair after he returns the ones we got him. But yeah, I haven't showed you guys my Civic, so here's a walk around of my car. So I just got to Walmart and I'm about to buy the CD and the apron because he loves to cook. Let's go. So what's up, guys? I just got done shopping at Walmart. Typical Filipino thing, but I got the Dell CD for the dad, or Rena's dad, and I also got him an apron. Yeah, a black apron. So I'm about to head to her brother's house, so I'll teleport there. So right now I'm walking to the brother's house. It's freaking hot outside and they live all the way at the back, so it's gonna be a long walk. We're heading to Milka right now. We just left the brother's house, and yeah. But right now we just got to Milka. It's in Automa, Pacific Commons. She wants her ice cream so bad, she's getting mad at me. So let's go. So right now we just got to my house and we're gonna watch X-Men Apocalypse, bootleg version, and we wait for the basketball game. So right now I'm on my 240. I just installed my new shift knob, the Dragon Ball, 4-star Dragon Ball that my girlfriend got me, and I also put the new decal that she got me as well. So it's pretty cool. I like the shift knob, it's firm, feels good in my hand. So that is it for this video, guys. Have a great week ahead. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to support me, like and subscribe. Yeah, I'll see you guys later.